Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to easily recover your Alipay account and solve the Alipay login issues. Most especially if you try to change phone and you want to transfer your Alipay account from one phone to a new phone. So let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure link on 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or IDV, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, or you want me to fund a Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing you want to do, if you are using Android phone, make sure you head over to your Play Store right here. I'm going to click on here to open my Play Store. If you are using iPhone, just go to your App Store. Then on Android phone, make sure you click on search icon right here. Then this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on search apps. Then here, what you want to do here is to simply type in Alipay. After you type in Alipay, click on search. Then it's going to take you right here. So just like what you see right there, next thing you need to do is to click on here to open the Alipay right here. So as at the time of making this video, 10 million plus people individual are using this app right here. So what you need to do right here is to simply install the app fresh into your Android phone or on your iPhone. So for us to install the app, what we need to do is to click on install right here. So after it's successful install the app, next thing you need to do is to click on open right here. And this is going to pump up. Next thing you need to do is to click on agree. That's going to take you right here. What you need to do right here is to make sure you click on this particular +6 right here, +86. Click on that. And it's going to load up right here. What you need to do right here is to make sure you choose your country code right here. So just have to make sure you look for your country code. And make sure you do not choose a wrong country code right here. So here's my country right here, Nigeria, +234. Select your country code. Having selected your country code, click on enter phone number. So that is, you have to enter the phone number you used to create your previous Alipay account. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the number right here. Having entered the phone number, remember you have to omit the first digit number on your mobile number of the previous Alipay account. Next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then right here, you need to click on login via SMS. So right here, you have to make sure you solve to ensure the security of the action. Please complete the verification process before proceeding. So here, you need to make sure you match some of these things right here. So please click on in order on the image below. So you have to make sure you click on in order of what you have right here. So here, I have this arrow right here. This is the first one you need to click. Then followed by this one right here. Then followed by this. Then you have another, so verification complete. Then a code will be sent to the Alipay account number. So the code is here. Simply copy the code, and then you can fill up the code and security checking in progress. and you will be successfully logging back to your Alipay account. Here, click on next, click on next, and you are back to your Alipay account. Here, click on why using the app. Then from the point right here, you can navigate in your Alipay account. So you can click on this icon right here, and you have your Alipay account successfully back fully. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use your Alipay account, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to teach you more about China importation business using 1688 in the data about Alipay or AliExpress, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.